Okay, let's do a quick recheck. Organizational data. Organizational data. Assignment. Default payroll area.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, आपकी आवाज़ बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रही है।
Okay, we've done this and we have assigned our default payroll settings to this. Now, next step is, which is an important step, is creating a control record. Okay. Benetton hourly already exists. Change. Okay. Payroll period. Now this is hourly and this will be weekly payouts. Okay. Because in retrospect, the 52nd week of the last year was the last week. First is 01, first week of 2024, which starts from this date and ends on this date. So the payouts will be weekly. Let me just take a snapshot of this. It actually is. Okay. And that we have created. Same goes for salary as well. Now define administrator. Now, what is this activity basically? Basically, you will be assigning a double A P A P P L. And for we have created a group. where we'll have a personal administrator, a time administrator, and a payroll administrator. Okay. So let's do one thing. Let's save some time and let's copy this. Okay, we have Benetton. We have EN01. I hope this code's okay. Uh, Only if I heard, this will help us. Okay, that's good. Save. Okay, let me take a snapshot. Okay, default administrator group, employee group, HN01 active. Okay, now what is our employee group if we have to look at it? Now this is where active A. Okay, create nodes. Come on. I guess it's not responding. We'll have to. Now we want field for return operation, and that will be subgroup, employee subgroup. Transfer, and under this we'll have X7, X8. Now these are subgroups. Let me just confirm. Employee subgroup Benetton, salary X7 and X8. Okay. And we will assign APPL. Okay. APPL, APPL, dependent nodes, delete, yes, more, activate. Okay. Okay, the feature was generated. What we'll do, we'll just take a snapshot of this. Okay, now let's go back. And the next part is it's next lecture. Lecture. Okay. SPRO. Okay. If you go to PA 30, personal data, enter, play. Now this is populated. This means this is populated. So let's see what do we have in personal data now. The personal data info type has fields like additional data, name, city of birth, religion, nationality, and so on. Okay. Then we have addresses. Now addresses will be display. This is also populated. Now we have many types of addresses. We can actually create these types of addresses. Also permanent address, mailing address, address of residence, temporary address, whatever. I mean, this is what we can actually do. And these addresses can have time constraints. Okay. Time constraints and gaps as well. Okay. Okay. So let's go to SPRO, personnel management, personnel administration, personal data, address, uh, address types. So we can change the address types. We can introduce new custom-made addresses as well. Okay. So we can have current address, best way cement. And for Benetton, what we can have is, now let's first understand what this time constraint is, that it can have gaps or no gaps or overlaps. That is important. Okay. So we have record must have no gaps like education. Record may include gaps like experience from one place, from one project to another project. Record may include gaps can exist more than one. So in one place, so a person cannot actually stay in one place at in multiple places at one time. So we can have gaps. So what we'll do, we will as and make it be an 01. Okay. Benetton present address. Okay. Enter Benetton, and we can also have many other of addresses. Okay, we done state and counties with addresses, state, and counties. States, we have 52 states for US, okay, and that can be, uh, we have, for example, for US, we will have 52, okay, you can list your own counties. Yes, there can be many counties. That depends on your business clients' requirements. We can have those own counties as well. Okay, county, country, US, and we have these many counties. County codes are given. Okay, so there can be many county codes. Okay. Okay, now next is a little bit lengthier, not so lengthy, but of course it takes a little bit of time. Okay. Um, Time management. Okay. Work schedules and public holiday classes. Public holidays. Um, Change. No, there can be different public holidays for every country, right? Create with fixed date. Distance to say Easter Sunday. Okay. We have. Okay. Let me just. So we have fixed dates. Okay. Like bank holiday, 1st July or 31st of December. Sorry, 1st of January. The fixed day from date. This can be Thanksgiving, distance to Easter, and Easter Sunday. So floating public. Now floating public is like Eid holidays. Okay. Create. Now fixed date can be 25th of 12, which is Christmas. Okay. It is not guaranteed to fall any of these days. Okay. Like Labor Day. Labor Day will be 09, which is September. Yeah, September. 1st of 09 is Labor Day. Okay. AEE, religious domination will be blank because it's a Labor Day. Public holiday classes will have 4 options. And those options are not a public holiday, ordinary public holiday, half holiday, day, customer specific. Okay. So ordinary public, um, ordinary public holiday. And we can, long holiday name, we can say Labor Day Benetton. Okay. Enter short text EN01. Okay. Okay. So we can create public holidays and many other denominations. Okay. Okay. Public holidays. Now we have to actually set this with the holiday calendars as well. public holiday classes, holiday calendar. Okay, we have US. Okay, valid from this is holiday calendar, and we have validity from 1900, and of course valid till year 2050, and we can assign a holiday as well. Okay, like Labor Day, or if we have to find out DN01. Okay, Labor Day Benetton. Okay, assign public holiday. Okay, we can assign this to USA, and this becomes a part of your holiday calendar. Save. Okay, factory calendar. USA. Over here, work days, Sunday, public holiday are blank, and the rest are work days. We can actually give a certain year of operating the factory calendar. Okay, and holiday calendar IDs can be different as well. If you look at the list, we can have like factory calendar best way, for example. We have a holiday calendar D5, which is already made for best way, which is assigned. We can also do that. Okay, so let's do that in the next one then.